If you believe your tap water is safe, you better think again. Did you know that 3 out of 4 American homes have toxic chemicals in their tap water? So what about your tap water? No matter where you live, toxic water containing chlorine, lead, forever chemicals, and microplastics is a problem for all of us. So how do you protect yourself and your family? Hi, I'm Peter Spiegel. Your tap water could be exposing you to devastating health risks, including cancer and cognitive decline. That's why I created AquaTru's, the countertop water purifier certified to remove 84 dangerous contaminants, including lead, chlorine, forever chemicals, and microplastics. AquaTru's advantage is its patented 4-stage reverse osmosis system that goes way beyond ordinary filters. Stage 1 captures rust and sediment. Stage 2 filters chlorine and chloramine. Stage 3 is reverse osmosis for lead and heavy metals. Stage 4 filters forever chemicals, microplastics, and VOCs like rocket fuel, leaving you with pure, great-tasting water. AquaTru's transforms Diet Cola into crystal clear water. Ordinary pitcher filters don't even come close. Now that's purification you can trust. Bottled water is expensive, wasteful, and contains microplastics. AquaTru's gives you pure, healthy water every day for a fraction of the cost. No plumbing, no installation. All across America, toxic tap water has been making us sick. I believe everyone deserves safe drinking water. Now you can protect your loved ones with AquaTru's.